Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to organize your paperless office using Notion, your ultimate 2025 guide. First off, let's create a new workspace. This is where you'll house all your digital documents. Think of it as your virtual filing cabinet. The reason we do this is to have a dedicated, organized space for all our work-related files. Once we've got our workspace set up, let's create different pages for different categories. For example, you might have a page for client proposals, another for invoices, and so forth. This helps us because it makes finding documents easier and faster when they're sorted by category. Now that we've done that, it's time to implement a tagging system. Within each page, you can tag your documents based on priority, status, or any other criteria that suits your workflow. Let me explain why this matters. Tags are like the labels on physical files. They give you an immediate sense of what the file contains, making it easier to manage and locate documents. Next up, we're going to link related pages. Notion allows you to create links between pages, helping you create a network of related documents. This is especially handy when you're working on projects that span across multiple categories. Finally, let's discuss backups. It's crucial to regularly back up your Notion workspace to avoid any data loss. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Notion stores a backup of your workspace, ensuring that even if something goes wrong, your work is safe and sound. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you'll have a well-organized, efficient paperless office using Notion. Remember, the key to maintaining an organized digital workspace is consistency. Stick to your system, and it'll serve you well. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next video with more helpful tips.